So I am Signakar Mamidala, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, KG Reddy College of Engineering and Technology. So already I spoke with SCR protection. So we are using here di by dt and dv by dt and over voltage and over current. These are the problem which we are facing in the power electronics while we are going to turn on the SCR. Okay. So from these problems we are going to provide the protection from the di by dt and dv by dt over voltage and over current. So how we are going to provide the protection from this di by dt and dv by dt and over voltage and over current? Now we can see here. Okay. So first one is here di by dt protection which we are using here. So di by dt protection. So for that case I am going to take one circuit diagram here. So this is the SCR, silicon control rectifier. These are the three terminals, anode, cathode and gate. So here I am using here one switch. Okay. So this is the load. First I am going to take here without the inductor, I am going to here explaining the circuit. Okay. So when anode is positive with respect to cathode, the SCR may turn it on. So when the SCR may turn it on, the current which is flowing from anode to cathode, this is from load. Okay. So you will get, that is in forward bias condition, this may result you will get output across the load. Okay. So the main problem is suddenly the rise of current. So then the di by dt. So then what will happen? So due to this di by dt, so then the SCR may damage because sudden rise of this current, the SCR cannot withstand this current. So then the temperature will increases. So then the SCR may damage. Okay. So from this case, from this di by dt, so we are providing the protection from the for the SCR by connecting here series inductor. So here I am connecting one series inductor. Okay, in the circuit. Then the series inductor, the inductor does not allow the sudden rise of current according to the property of the inductor. So this may does not allow the sudden rise of current. So this does not allow the sudden rise of current. Then we are going to provide the protection from the SCR. Okay. So how much value of this inductor which we are connecting in series with the SCR? Now we can see here. So voltage across the inductor, we know V is equal to L into di by dt. So already we know this formula, VL is equal to L into di by dt. This is the voltage across the inductor. Okay. So from this one, L is equal to VL divided by di by dt. Now you can observe here. So when di by dt is more, then when the di by dt is more, when the inductor value is very less, that will allows the circuit which is allows the more sudden rise of current. So to avoid this problem, so we are using here L is greater than this value d, this is value d. So that is VL divided by di by dt. Okay. So when we are high value of inductor which is connected in series with the SCR, so we may protect the SCR from this di by dt condition. Okay. That is why, so when we are going to select the inductor, so that value should be very high according to this. Okay, di by dt. So that is why we are providing here high value of inductor in series with the SCR. So we can protect our SCR from this di by dt condition. Next, second one is dv by dt protection. dv by dt protection. How we are going to provide the protection, okay, from this dv by dt. Now you can see here. Okay. So what will happen when sudden rise of the voltage in the circuit? Okay. So when sudden rise of voltage, when this is sudden rise of voltage in the circuit, then may false triggering of SCR. Okay. So due to this sudden rise of voltage in the circuit, the SCR may trigger automatically. So that we can call it as false triggering of SCR. So how we are going to provide the protection from this false triggering? Okay. So that we are going to already we analyzed this one. Okay, so this is the circuit which we are using in the circuit. Okay, so this is the load I am connecting here. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. This is anode and this is the cathode and this is the gate terminal. Okay, so this is the load I am connecting in the circuit. Okay, so due to sudden rise of voltage in the circuit, okay, so then false triggering, so mean automatically the SCR may turn on. So then the result of this our expected value will not come because of the false triggering. So how we are going to provide the protection from this false triggering? Okay, see here, by connecting the snubber circuit, this is the capacitor and this is the resistor which is connected across the SCR. So this we can call it as snubber circuit. So by connecting the snubber circuit, so we are providing the protection for the SCR from dV by dt condition. So how we are going to provide the protection from dV by dt? By connecting the snubber circuit. Now you can see here. So when sudden rise of this voltage due to rate of rise of voltage in the circuit, okay, if this snubber circuit R and C combination is not existed in the circuit, so the entire current is passing from this circuit. Due to this dV by dt, the SCR may damage. Now you can see, by connecting here capacitor and resistor series combination across the SCR, so this snubber circuit can bypass the voltage. So when this circuit will bypass the voltage, so the which is required to turn on the SCR, so that amount of voltage is appear across the SCR, so then the SCR may safe condition. Okay, so now you can see here, so when sudden rise of voltage will face in the circuit, then the capacitor will charge due to this sudden rise of voltage. So means the capacitor will charge through like this. This is positive and this is the negative terminal. Okay, so whenever the sudden rise of voltage in the circuit, the capacitor may bypass the voltage, okay, and provide the protection from the SCR. So here the resistor also which are connecting here, okay, in series with the capacitor. So when the SCR is once turned on, while bypassing the current, okay, by bypassing the voltage by connecting the capacitor here, okay, so then the SCR may turn it on, then we are providing the protection from the dV by dt. So now here, once the SCR is turned on, so then the capacitor will discharge. Through this resistance. The resistance may limit the current, okay, and provide the protection from the dV by dt conditions. Okay, so these are the protection of SCR from dV by dt connection. Okay, so by connecting here snubber circuit, we are providing the protection of SCR from dV by dt connect. So another method is over voltage method. So these are the over voltage are internally, externally. So we will face internal over voltage and another one is external over voltage. These are the two problems which we are facing while operating the SCR in practically, internal and external. So what are the methods which we are using providing the SCR from this internal over voltage, and what are the methods which we are providing from the external over voltage protection. So now you can see here, from this internal voltage while operating the SCR, so this over voltage problem will facing internally. So from this internal over voltage we are providing already, which is already explained here, dV by dt and di by dt. So these are the methods which we are using, okay, to protect the SCR from this internal over voltage conditions. To protect the SCR from this internal over voltage condition, So already, which is already discussed here, that is dV by dt and di by dt. So from this external voltage protection, external over voltage protection, so we are connecting here fuse. Okay. So now you can see here, so whatever the SCR we are here, so that we are connecting one series fuse. Okay. So here we are connecting one fuse to this load, so then we can protect, this is the fuse. Okay. So we are providing a fuse connection in series with the load, so then may protect the SCR from this external over voltage conditions. Okay. So these are the methods which we are follow to protect the SCR from this over voltage conditions. Next, last one is over current methods, over current protection. How we are going to provide the protection from the over current, So which is already observed from here, sudden rise of current here. Okay. So we are already using here inductor. The inductor does not allow the sudden change in current. Okay. So when high value of inductor which is connected in series with the SCR, so we may protect the SCR from this condition. But here, so due to over current problem, when the temperature may increases, when the temperature is increases, then the SCR may damage. From this protection, from this condition, we are connecting here resistor in series with the circuit, resistor in series with the SCR. The SCR will limit the current, resistor will limit the current, and the protection is provided for the SCR from this over current condition. Okay. So these are the different protection of SCR techniques which we are observed in this lecture. Thank you one and all for listening this lecture.